What is up, everybody? Now today is a very special day for me. As you can see, I'm surrounded in balloons and I have a number one. What could this mean? Well, today is my 1 year anniversary on YouTube and I could not be prouder. I am so excited that this day has finally come. It literally felt like yesterday I started my YouTube channel and we're already a year ahead with so many milestones smashed out and so much more to come. I started my YouTube channel on April 1st, 2020 and it is now April 1st, 2021. This year has flown by so quickly. Just some milestones that I've conquered already: over 80,000 views on my channel. 1,300 of you lovely people, which are you guys, subscribed to my channel, and this is going to be my 51st video for the whole entire year. When I started YouTube, I had no idea how it was gonna go. I thought I'd just see how I go. Maybe I'd post a couple of videos, maybe I'd post a video every couple of months. But now here we are a year later and I have posted consistently once a week for 365 days. So on that note, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has supported me over this past year. It has meant the absolute world to me. I am so thankful and I wouldn't be here right now without all of your guys' support. So thank you to all of my supporters and all of my subscribers out there who continue to support me and help me grow each day. Now, with that being said, I'm going to give you the top 3 tips that I think could help you on your first year on YouTube. Starting with number 1, it's going to be posting consistently. Now this is so important because when new subscribers go to a small YouTuber's channel, they want to know that they're going to be getting quality and good content. So if you're going to subscribe to a channel, you want to know that they're bringing out fresh content. If that's weekly, if it's 2-weekly, or if it's monthly, try and post on the same day and the same time each week or every 2 weeks, so that your subscribers and your audience know that you're going to be bringing out new content and they know where to find you at what time. Now this is so important because you need those people to be watching your videos. As a small YouTuber, it's super important for people to know where to find you and to watch your content. I know for me personally, I don't subscribe to channels that I know aren't going to bring out fresh content, because what's the point of being subscribed to them if they're not going to post anything? So I would say do it around your schedule. Make sure you're also posting good quality content, but don't put too much pressure on yourself as well. If you can only post every 2 weeks or every month, that's fine. Just try and make it on the same day and the same time when you can post. Number 2 would be find your niche. Now what I mean by this is find other YouTubers in a similar position to you. If you're a travel vlogger, if you're a food vlogger, or if you're just a general daily vlogger, find people at the similar stage as you and connect with them. Make sure that you guys are helping each other grow, watching each other's videos each week, commenting on them, liking on them, but genuinely interacting. Don't just watch one video and never see that person again. Make sure you're continually supporting each other. This is so important because when we comment on people's videos, when we like on people's videos, this tells the YouTube algorithm that you like that video and that helps push it out to more people. So find those 10 to 15 people in the same niche as you, continue to support them weekly, and then hopefully they'll do vice versa. And this is really going to help push your channel and just help you genuinely get feedback, have other people to talk to. I know personally when on my YouTube journey, I've had so many questions in this first year, and I have my niche and I love those guys. So thank you very much. You know exactly who you are. Number 3 would be make realistic goals, work hard, and don't give up. Now this is so important because making realistic goals within your first year of YouTube is so important. We all think that we could just post one video and it's going to go viral and then we can become a full-time YouTuber and become famous. Unfortunately, this is not how it works. There's a lot of time and there's a lot of effort going into a YouTube channel, especially to post consistently each week for your first year. So make sure when you're setting your goals, make sure they're realistic. Do you want to be monetized within the first year? Do you just want to make 100 subscribers? Do you want to make 1,000 subscribers? Make sure that it's realistic. Don't make unrealistic goals like I want to have 500,000 subscribers by the end of the year, or I want to be famous. Because you also need exciting goals to work towards, to achieve, to celebrate. I mean, I'm at my 1 year today and I'm still celebrating. I can't believe within 1 year that I'm monetized. It wasn't even my goal. I remember when I first made my YouTube channel back last year, I just wanted to have 100 subscribers by my first year of YouTube because I had no idea what to expect, and now I've completely surpassed all of the goals that I made, and I'm so proud of myself, and really celebrate those achievements as well. And never give up. If a video doesn't do so well one week, it's okay. The YouTube algorithm is completely strange and I personally still don't understand it, but just don't give up. It's a passion, it's a hobby. Just enjoy what you do, connect with other YouTubers, and this is so rewarding. So guys, I hope my top 3 tips help you guys on your first year on YouTube. Again, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who supported me over this past year. And as always guys, I'll see you next Monday for more content. Bye!